TJ, what? Been like TJ. All of my money and all of my chains. I'm getting money, bitch, I'm getting paid. Get from my pockets and get from my face. Being your boyfriend, we definitely the same. It's cause of my grind, you can't.
Welcome back to another video. I'm about to get hit by a car coming in. That's over there. Yeah, we got a lot of action going on. We done took over the whole Liberty State Park train station. Over here. We got M4, we got a Buda Mustang, we got a, I think the MP40i, I don't think the 403. Let's see. Yep, MP40i. That was right. Got all types of vehicles out here.
Yo, you want to put this together? You know the homie to put this together?
No, I don't.
Wow. So how you got your cam and all that shit out here?
Because everybody else do.
Yeah.
Everybody else do. But I do know the dude, my boy, he knows the dude that put this together.
Where your boy at?
He on his way. It's his anniversary, so they was having like a whole.
Oh, what's his name?
His name is Isaiah.
Zimzazed. Okay.
Yeah.
What he driving?
I don't know if he's coming in his car. If he is, it's gonna be sweet. Not that one. But it's gonna
Orange?
be sweet. It's not orange. It's not orange. Well, it was white, but it's wrapped. So
White rap. Okay.
yeah.
Alright.
His YouTube channel name, but yeah. So we gonna get through all the stuff that we got because there's more stuff on the way. My boy's supposed to be on the way. I hope he's on the way. But if not, oh well. Oh, there's a Walmart. seen yesterday. That video gonna be dropping soon. Well, there was two videos. There was two videos that, well, 2 meets. The first meet, we gonna be dropping that very shortly. I hope y'all can hear me with all the news going on. The second one can't drop for like at least like for a while. Some activities happened over there, and yeah, safe to say it was a close call, so it can't be. You'll get those videos. It's probably a lot of footage, so it's probably gonna have to be broken up into parts like I've been doing. But yeah, so you'll get those videos when I deem it safe to drop. Cause there was a lot going on. Yep. I just realized that. That's unfortunate. Damn, someone got a fusion over here. But it's done up. It's done up. Yeah, I need y'all to like and subscribe so I can do my fusion. And also buy another car. That's what I'm really trying to do. I'm trying to buy multiple vehicles. So if y'all wouldn't mind, if y'all do enjoy the content, videos, comment, like, subscribe, share with a friend. All the things are free in terms of it don't cost you any money. All it costs is seconds of your time. Less seconds than you spend obsessing about celebrities that don't even know who you are. You know what I'm saying? So y'all wouldn't mind, y'all would be so kind, I would appreciate that, you know? Now we're gonna do some investigating. Now that I showed you the majority of what's here, because people still coming in. Now that I showed you the majority of what's here, we gotta do some investigating on that wide body Charger, because I believe it is a Scat. But if it's not a Scat, if it's a Hellcat, I'm gonna be, let's see. It's deep bad. Yeah, it's Scat. It says SOT 392. So, yeah. Yeah, so. And also, somewhat shy. Can't work because I'm still learning how to use this gimbal. I should have been knowing how to use this gimbal, but. Let's see. Yep, it's a track. You can always tell by the yellow Brembos and the supercharged. They got the Amazon workers out here. They getting busy. Going crazy. Alright, let's see what we do. Yeah, also, once once we get up there, I'm saying we because I'm hoping that I can bring people along with me. And so once we get up there, I'm hoping to start organizing stuff like this on my own. That way we don't have to worry about cops and all that. Make sure we get the proper approvals and things of that nature. So, you will see. I think someone got a car mic, which I would love to get to. That's another thing I want a car mic. Actually, what I'm gonna do is, because that light about to change. Let's see if I can catch stuff coming in. What I'm about to do, and I kind of started recording late because I was having issues. I would have my GoPro, but for some reason my GoPro battery's not charged, so there's only one car. So I'm gonna see if I can catch a super coming in. Alright, I guess these two are leaving, or they're just stuck on the block, or they're going to get food. See what happens. Alright, now it's time to find out what's going on with the. And of course, as soon as I start walking over there, all these cars will pull up, man.
This car is like a dumbass. You want to do a burnout.
You gotta go for it. I just wish mine would charge. takeovers that I've been to. So at least this is just chill. This is definitely a change up from recent events. I'm going this way. Yeah, he said I ain't gonna be part of that. I'm going this way. We got two, I think these are scabs, yeah. Two scabs.
Shopping for diamonds and Tiffany's. Now, I don't got no service now. She blew my whistle like a referee. Black nigga remember me until I found out that recipe. Started getting about 10 a week. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, I'd rather you than me.
There's so much activity in me cars. There's activity. Well, there's activity in a non-illegal way. Let's put it that way. We got my boy Super here. Oh wait, no, it's not my boy, but I think he's from here. I'm not sure. Got a lot of videos, got a lot going on. There's a lot of activity. Got a lot of activity. A lot. We got a lot of activity. We got the white van here. People still showing up. See? Yeah. Play you late, man. Just like what do you call that Black said. I think they come out with the expressway or something like that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. This activity area for sure. This activity for sure. What type of activity? Yo! Flying. Oh, that's my man's right there. Everybody flying in here. Well, they're not flying in here. That means flying, boy. Flying. Grab that. Look who decided to show up. Huh?
How you not notice when we pull up?
Well, I noticed a bunch of cars when I was at the same time. Yo. Getting bullied on camera. Y'all see this?
Check, 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 check.